Hello, my name is Idah and I'm here at Intercontinental Hotel right here in Lusaka attending the National Health Promotion Technical Working Group here in Lusaka. So come with me and let's see what's happening inside. To fight cancer, we gonna need more than just closed mouths and a pack of knickknacks. I'm gonna talk about it to you. I'm gonna tell you how I feel.
Health promotion is a key component of health service delivery in the continent of care in Zambia. It is the process of enabling individuals and communities to gain greater control over their own health and improve it. Our core mandate is to empower communities, address the root causes of ill health, and create supportive environments that foster well-being. Through these efforts, we aim to reduce preventable diseases, improve health outcomes, and contribute to a healthier and more productive nation.
Okay, thank you very much. My name is Idah Phiri. I'm Communications and Administration Manager from the Zambian Cancer Society. I'm also the Cancer Smart Youth Program Chairperson. So Cancer Smart Youth is a program under the Zambian Cancer Society, and our aim is to break the silence on cancer that surrounds young people. So this is a program for the youth, by the youth, and with the youth. So we have many programs under the Cancer Smart Youth, but today I'm going to narrow it down to the Cancer Smart Youth podcast. All right, so what is the podcast all about? I'm sure we all know what a podcast is right now. Is there anyone who doesn't know what a podcast is? Okay, so this is like an online radio, and because our targets are the youth, we decided to use an online radio, otherwise known as the podcast, because our target group is on social media, and so we know we can easily catch young people using this medium. So like I said, our aim is to break the silence on cancer that surrounds young people and stigma, and also to create a safe space for young cancer survivors, young caregivers, and our target is between youths between the ages of 18 to 35. Okay, so what kind of information do we share on this podcast? We share evidence-based information, and we believe that by sharing age-appropriate and relatable content on different types of cancers affecting young people. And we also look at life before, during, and after treatment. What happens when someone has just finished treatment? Where do they go? How do they open up to society? And we also tackle issues like relationships, because some people at the prime of their lives, maybe they are in relationships, they're about to get married, or what, how do they even tell a partner who they are about to start dating that I'm a cancer survivor, I don't have one breast, or I'm a cervical cancer survivor, things like that. And we also foster dialogue, just providing a platform for young people to learn, to ask questions, and also to learn from each other. And the safe space that we have created now, we have a group of young people that are actually coming together now, wanting to share information, wanting to share their cancer journeys. And we are not only concentrating on cancer survivors, but we also look at young caregivers and also young medical professionals. As you can see from the two pictures on the screen, so we also support physical health. So the one where we are the three of us there, we had a hike last month, and we're just encouraging young people to stay fit, and also it was a fundraiser to support the children that are admitted at the Cancer Disease Hospital. And if you come from the Cancer Disease Hospital, then the picture on the left is not is a familiar face for you, because this is a young cancer survivor who was diagnosed with a rare type of cancer at 14, and he was encouraged with the professionals at the Cancer Disease Hospital how he was treated, and later on went to do medicine, and he's now a medical doctor. He was doing his rounds at the Cancer Disease Hospital, and it's one of the successful stories that we share for someone who was treated at the Cancer Disease Hospital, got encouraged and did medicine, and he's now a medical doctor, and he shares his story to raise awareness. Thank you very much. Okay, so what are some of our achievements? We launched this podcast last year in November, and since November, we have been able to achieve some of the things. So I couldn't list all of them, but just some of them. So we got an invitation to speak about the podcast during the African Women's Cancer Awareness Association official launch in Nigeria. So this podcast actually encouraged other young people in Nigeria to come up with a podcast. So I went there and I had an interaction with a number of people. The second achievement is winning an award under the 𝐓𝐔𝐑𝐄𝐍 Academy. So we got an award in excellence in health support for young people. All right, one of the achievements that we had is of a young lady named Sonile. Sonile was also diagnosed with nasopharyngeal cancer, which is cancer of the nose, back of the nose. And after she finished her treatment, she also got encouraged by the nurses who took care of her. And these nurses are from the Cancer Disease Hospital. So Cancer Disease Hospital, kudos to the good work that you're doing. You're encouraging young cancer patients to actually get into medicine. So this young cancer survivor, apparently, after enrolling for nursing school in second year, she stopped going to school because of lack of funds. We came in, that's after she shared her story, and we were able to raise 19,100 kwacha to pay for education for the rest of the year. And she's back in school now and just waiting to write exams. As you can see, she's wearing the hat, what do you call it? With the 3 ribbons, meaning she's in 3rd year now and doing so well. And I just want to say thank you to Dr. 𝐓𝐔𝐑𝐄𝐍, PS, who brought up this idea during one of the Zambian Cancer Society partner meetings. Okay, and also we look at fostering robust risk communication and community engagement through the podcast. So we don't only concentrate on people in Lusaka, but we also look at those outside Lusaka, because everyone has the right to information, and everyone has the right to, access this podcast. So the Zambian Cancer Society is very good friends with First Quantum. And last year in November, we got to go to First Quantum, where we partnered with them to host a fitness event. And as you can see from the picture, there are different age groups. So we shared information also about risk factors of cancer, life during and after cancer. So this is also one of the areas that we have been to, which is Soweto. We have also had appearance in America under the American Cancer Society Young Leaders Caucus at the Leadership Summit in Lobby Bay. This was in Washington. Thank you so much. And also Pink Dressage fundraising event. These are just some of the places where we have been. On the other side, the right side, it was during World No Tobacco Day, where we featured Mr. Daniel Mbazima, who was an alcohol and drug addict, but now he's doing a very good job. He has a place called Sanity House. It's a rehab center where he's also encouraging young people, to reform and have a beautiful life. So as a Cancer Smart Youth podcast, we are not just raising awareness, we are raising a generation that is cancer smart. So for anyone in the room who would like to be a guest on our Cancer Smart Youth podcast, please, you can see me or my colleague 𝐓𝐔𝐑𝐄𝐍, or you can simply call us or contact us on the numbers on the screen. And also, if you'd like to partner with us, maybe you want to offer your expertise, technology, you want to help us edit these episodes, or you want to help us buy more equipment because we don't have enough equipment currently, you are welcome to do so. So thank you very much.
Big hands, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much.
I'm breaking the silence.
Feel free to follow us on all our social media platforms at Zambian Cancer Society: Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn. You should also subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss an episode. Contact us on 0976 659914.